Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to delete a TikTok account. So maybe you finally want to quit TikTok and you want to completely get rid of your account to delete it, or you just have some embarrassing things on your account, so you want to delete it. I'll show you guys exactly how to delete a TikTok account in this video today. But first things first, you want to head over to the TikTok app. So just click on the TikTok app and it'll bring you to the For You page, like right here. On the For You page, you're going to want to click on your profile icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. If you click on that, it'll bring you to your profile page, so just click on that real quick. Once you click on that, you'll be brought to your profile page here, and you just want to click on the three bars in the top right corner of your screen. If you click on the three bars, then these options will show up here, and here you want to choose on Settings and Privacy, which should be at the very bottom. Once you choose on Settings and Privacy, you'll be brought to the Settings and Privacy page, and on this page, you want to click on Account, which should be in the account subsection. So look for the account option, and once you find it, just click on account. So you'll be brought to this page here, but like I said before, you just find the account subsection and click on account, and then you'll be brought to this page. Here, look for the deactivate or delete account option. Once you find that option, click on it. It'll bring you to a new page and ask you if you want to delete or deactivate. So click on delete account permanently, and once you click on delete account permanently, it will bring you to a new page. So just click on delete account permanently, and once you click on that, it will bring you to this page right here. While you're leaving TikTok, you can either choose to skip it by clicking on the skip button in the top right corner, or just choose an option if you want to. Now once you do that, it will bring you to this page here. Here's asking you to download your TikTok data. This will let you download all of your videos and everything like that. You can request your data. It'll download your profile and all of your everything that you did on TikTok. So you can download this if you want to save all the data, but if you don't want to, you don't have to. It takes a couple days for them to download the data or get the data so that you can download it, but you download it here in download data. But once you do that, you can just click on this button right here, and then you can just click on continue. Once you do that, it'll ask you if you want to delete this account. It goes through all the things that it will do if you delete the account. So if you're ready to delete it, just click on the continue button at the bottom of the screen. Once you click on that, it'll ask you to enter your password. So just put in your password for the account. Let's see if I can remember it, but you just put in your password right here, and once you put it in, then you just click on delete account, which should light up once you put in the password. Here we go, and once you put in the password, just click delete account. It'll ask you if you want to delete it one more time, just click delete, and it will completely delete your account. As you can see, once I click delete, it will just completely delete it. If you have another account logged in on the TikTok app, then it'll switch you to that account, but if you don't have it, it'll just log you out. But that is how you delete your account on TikTok. And as you can see, I don't have the account anymore, so that you know that it's completely deleted. So I hope this video is helpful and it showed you how to delete your TikTok account. If it was, I'd really appreciate a like and subscribe. Leave any questions you have in the comment section below. I'll do my best to answer them, and I'll see you guys next time.